Try.
Sonana.
It's KFC.
KFC. On the house. Testing ni saa 10 kama kawaida. How are you, my fans? Karibuni tena to another episode of Trevor and Swing,
and we are back again with another
banger. So today we are going to make a KFC homemade chicken. So we are going to use eggs, milk, spices, black pepper, Spanish paprika, garlic powder, vinegar, corn flour, and
wheat flour,
unga ngano, and then definitely kuku yenyewe, and then salad. So guys, the first step, we're going to make the marination which is needed for this kuku. So what you're going to do so what we need to do So what we need to do is easy mayai. They're the ones which they help us to make the mixture. Then you add the spices according to the amount of chicken you have. They'll guide you on the spices, the quantity.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
You put the chicken inside the mixture.
So what we do next,
We do this
we make the unga.
solid.
We make the solids. Hii ni unga ngano. Kuku yetu ni mob, so definitely tutahitaji ngano mingi. Alafu ya ugali kidogo. And then we repeat the same thing. So guys, what we're going to do, we are taking this, we are dipping, and then unaweka kwa maji baridi ndo ishike, then unarudisha kwa unga. Then by now unafai kwa unaweka mafuta inachemka.
We'll wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you for sticking
with us till the end.
jaribu mtaani alafu mtupe feedback.
Subscribe.
Tunaona
It's KFC.
KFC.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.